It's Gonzalo from Hands on English. Well, it's Christmas time, and today it's Christmas Eve. It's the 24th of December. Well, here in Argentina, it's summer, believe it or not. And as you can see, it's really, really hot. Here it's really, really hot. Well, I wanted to share some vocabulary about Christmas, okay? For instance, here we have our Christmas wreath with lots of Christmas balls and some other ornaments. Okay, we have a Christmas stocking. It's Disney themed. As you know, I love Disney. Believe it or not, this is ginger. Okay, we don't have gingerbread cookies, but I have ginger growing in one of these pots. Okay, well, coming into the house, as you can see, we have some Christmas lights, and here I hope you have all put up your Christmas tree. Okay, with star and the point, and then some snowmen, though we don't have any snow here. And I hope you have put up your nativity scene, which is the center of this whole celebration. Well, here we have Santa Claus, okay, Father Christmas or Saint Nick, okay, he's also here, but remember, the center is our nativity scene. And here we have trimmed with some Christmas lights, with some tinsel, okay. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this, and I just wanted to say that thank you to all of you who have been sharing this year with Hands on English, who have been participating in the ELT giveaways, or you have been participating in class. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Muchísimas gracias por haber participado este año junto a Hands on English en las distintas actividades que hemos tenido. Es un placer, es un gusto, es un honor. Ser docente es un gran privilegio. Muchísimas gracias. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.